Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Coinmarketcap to Coinbase. So first and foremost, this one is my Coinmarketcap and this one over here is my Coinbase wallet or my Coinbase exchange. So leaving alone the Coinbase exchange, I'll come to my Coinmarketcap. Now on my Coinmarketcap, as you can see, the Coinmarketcap is a platform that shows you prices of different cryptocurrencies. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin is 54,000. Okay, and if you tap in the Bitcoin, as you can see over here, you can go ahead and see its prices, how it's being traded, how it has been moving, as you can see over there. So Coinmarketcap can't be able to send money from Coinmarketcap and then send it to your Coinbase, because Coinbase is an exchange that stores your money when you want to use it, or stores your cryptocurrency coins, or even transfers your cryptocurrency coins. But again, Coinmarketcap isn't an exchange, so there is no way you can send money from Coinmarketcap to your Coinbase wallet or your Coinbase exchange. They are totally different things. Okay, and that's it guys. I hope it was helpful. If so, like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.